Welcome back to the next video in the Library Skills for Biblical Studies series. This video will show how to find information about the terminology used in your passage. Part of gaining an understanding of your passage is being aware of the important terminology that appears in it. One of the best ways to learn about these terms is through theological dictionaries and encyclopedias. You can find links to several recommended dictionaries and encyclopedias on the background information page on the Biblical Studies Research Guide. To demonstrate how these resources can help you, let's look at Luke chapter 2 verses 8 through 14. Reading through different translations of this text, the importance of several terms stand out. Angel or angels is one because of the significance they play in this passage. Another would be the title applied to the newborn child, Messiah or Christ. Looking up these terms will help us gain a better understanding. Let's look up Messiah in the Encyclopedia of the Bible and its reception. You will see a list of results related to the term Messiah. The first entry is the one we want, as it is about the term itself. The article is divided into multiple sections. It lists the title and author or authors up top. It also provides options that allow you to create a citation for this article or to print it. This article is a longer one and includes a table of contents. You can see that this article explores multiple aspects of the term Messiah. Since we are working with a passage from Luke, we will look at the essay on the New Testament. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch the other videos in this series, and please reach out if you have any questions.